Let's make Chinese style chicken with oyster sauce, and yes, I'm showing you all how to create this sauce. Start with your chicken, lightly salt, add in some white pepper and some 5-spice powder, in with light soy sauce, sesame oil, Vetsin or MSG, which is totally optional. I know a lot of you wouldn't like to use it, but trust me, it makes a difference. Omit it if you don't use it. So here we have two types. I have my oyster sauce, which is the regular, and I also showed you all the vegetarian version if you wanted to do that. In when sugar, 1 star anise, some 5-spice powder, a pinch of white pepper, and some sesame oil along with water. Bring it up to a simmer and then create a cornstarch slurry with water and cornstarch. Add that in. It's going to thicken the sauce a little bit and make it nice and velvety. And just finish with some scallions, which is not necessary. And the sauce is done. Set it aside. You're going to fry or bake your chicken until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's nice and golden brown. Drain on your paper towel and then cut up into pieces and serve with that sauce. I promise you all are going to love this. And remember, you can omit the MSG.